Well, hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome, and the 4th of July weekend is quickly approaching. So I've been trying to clean up the RV here and get it ready so we can go out on a little family camping trip. So I thought I'd just go ahead and give you a tour of my 1994 Fleetwood Flair 32 HD diesel pusher. So let me show you around. Well, I think I've had this RV for about 4 years now, and I bought it, I think I paid $6,500 for it, and by the time I did all the upgrades I probably put that much back into it, so it blue books for about $14,000 right now, and I probably got about 10 or 12 in it. But anyways, it just rolled over to 50,000 miles. I got 50,899. So low miles for a diesel. And it's an Oshkosh Freightliner frame with an Alaskan transmission. I bought an easy tire pressure monitoring system so I can monitor all the tires. Still got the old school CB radio in there. Everybody says that's good to have for the zombie apocalypse. I also installed this wireless backup camera. Oh, and like I said, I put a bunch of money into it. I bought all brand new tires, bought the tire pressure monitoring system, the backup camera. I bought this NAXA 12 volt TV. It has a built-in DVR or DVD player, and then I upgraded the antenna to the WinStar Digital, so we can pick up channels almost anywhere in this thing. And it uses 12 volts, so it's such low power. I've had this thing on for 6 or 8 hours, and the battery, you couldn't even tell a difference that it had drained any. Of course, my favorite thing about this is my first RV was a gasoline engine RV, and of course you got that big doghouse up here in the front, and that's the thing I like about this diesel. There's no doghouse. It's just you walk and you step up and there's nothing in your way, and there's all kinds of foot room, which I like. So anyways, I tinted all these windows. These windows up in front, the state legal limit is 35%, so that's what they are. And I also have a big band going across the top third of the windshield. Now as we move back, these windows back here in the kitchen and all these go to, I think, 70%. So it blocks out 70% of the sun. Now normally when we'd go to campsites, there's a bunch of other people around and we got to put the blinds down for some kind of privacy, but not with these tinted windows. We can see out just fine. They're a little dirty right now on the outside, but we can see out just fine, but nobody can see in. It just looks black on the outside, so it's kind of cool because you can sit there and look out. Nobody can see in and see you. So anyways, we got the captain's chairs up here, which are really comfortable. We've got this little barrel chair. All these chairs swivel. Then I have this sofa, which is one of these scissor bed sofas. So it pops out into a bed. Usually my daughter or the grandkids sleep on that. And then we have the dinette. And of course this dinette table breaks down and this all turns into a bed. And anyways, that makes a nice little bed. Then we got the kitchen. Oh, let me show you my signs. Alaska, life is better in the wild. Nice little metal poster type of thing, sign. My daughter gave me those. Here's another one. Explore new places, relax, take a hike, laugh, love, live, wake up smiling, get out camping in the wild. or camp out in the wild, Alaska. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so anyways, as we go back, let's go back to the kitchen here. Recently I just installed this backsplash. I think it looks pretty good. Kind of adds a little something something. Anyways, as we go back here, got my custom towel. That's made by the Chaos Paddlers, my friend Jacob. And then I have my refrigerator. I had to replace the control unit for this thing, so I bought a new control unit. It's worked great ever since. Then we got the bathroom, the shower. You know, and I have yet to take a shower or a bath in this thing. I know the grandkids want to when we go camping. Okay, so one cool thing is there's the shower, and here is the actual bathroom. Now, if there's people out here, you can come in and you can go in the bathroom and shut the door. Or if you just want some, like if I'm back in the master bedroom, I can just shut this. It gives me a lot of extra room. But anyways, here is the bathroom. It's got a simple toilet. And it's got the little faucet and counters and all that. Anyways, and then we move back to the bedroom. And of course we got big cabinets. More cabinet space than we know what to do with. And of course it's dusty on the outside. But anyways, these windows have 90% tint on them, and so they're limousine tint. You can't see in here at all. Somebody could stand there and try to look in, and I can stand there and look out, and they can't see me. But anyways, it's a diesel, so the engine is right under the bed. So when you're up front driving, you don't hear the engine. It's all back here. Now, if my wife is sleeping back here and I go and start it up in the morning, yeah, it usually wakes her up, but hopefully it's a nice of the diesel. I like that diesel sound. Alright, but anyways, that's the master bedroom, and then we'll turn around and go back towards the front. Oh, one other thing I have is I have this little accordion door here too. You know, this little thing just gives you a little bit of privacy, not a whole lot. But it allows people to be in like 3 different rooms in this RV. Somebody can be back here, somebody can be in this bathroom, and they can have this door shut, and then people can be out here. So it gives you different options. But anyways, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed that tour, and hopefully we're going to get out and do something exciting during this 4th of July. And make some good memories, and to be able to make a good video. Alright guys, till next time, everybody travel safe.